Hi, this is Linda and Aaron with Traveling Flamingo. It can be really hard to choose which stateroom you want, and there can be a huge price range. How do you choose which stateroom category would be best for your trip? We go over Celebrity Cruises' different staterooms so you have all the information you need to book your trip. Before we get into the staterooms, we need to quickly look at Celebrity Cruises' fleet, which comprises of 4 categories: the Millennium Class, the Solstice Class, Edge Class, and the Galapagos Class. The Millennium, Solstice, and Edge Class are mostly similar and most common ships people sail on. The Galapagos ships are a lot smaller with a smaller range of cabins. For this video, we're just going to be focusing on the first 3 most commonly sailed ships. The type of stateroom can play a big role for some cruisers. The main cabin types are inside, ocean view, balcony, and suites. Some of the basic amenities you can expect in all the stateroom types are 2 twin beds that can be connected to form a king bed or queen bed, a desk with a chair, phone, nightstand, and a reading light, as well as sofa, comfy chair, and in the washroom you can expect shampoo, conditioner, body wash, towels, a hair dryer. You've got a closet with some hanging space, shelves, a safe, a television with some movies and live TV, as well as mini fridge and power outlets. So you're pretty standard what you would be expecting, and you get that across all room types. We often find there's not enough power outlets, just the amount of stuff we travel with and watches and phones. So we use this USB multi-port that is very helpful. Also, in all staterooms, there are 24-hour room service available. There is a late night fee if you are ordering room service from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So just keep that in mind. It's also important to note that on some of Celebrity's cruise ships, they also offer solo cabins. There aren't many of these, so you're going to want to book in advance. Otherwise, the room you will be paying for, even if you're a solo passenger, is based on double occupancy, and that means the solo passenger is going to have to pay a second fare. They also offer accessibility rooms, so make sure you talk to Celebrity or your travel agent when you're booking these. And if you are in a group or a large family and want connecting rooms, you can get those too. Or if you rather, there are larger rooms that have pull-out beds and can accommodate up to 4 people. So let's look at the specific type of staterooms. The inside staterooms, as the name would imply, are inside of the ship. This means that there's no window or natural light. These are great for people who are traveling on a budget and don't plan on spending too much time in their stateroom. These ships are absolutely beautiful, so you might be planning on spending more time at the pool or the lounges, participating in activities. So it's also a good option if you have a port-heavy itinerary, as you won't be on the ship much anyway. The next stateroom is ocean view cabins. These rooms have a window to enjoy the views and natural light. However, the window does not open. Now on to the veranda stateroom. This is a stateroom with a traditional balcony. This gives you the nice outdoor seating area to enjoy the fresh air and a private place to enjoy your sail away. There are a variety of different veranda suites depending on the size and how many people are sharing a cabin. Something new on the Edge class of ships is the infinite veranda. These rooms have more space, but to get that extra space, you do not have a traditional balcony, but an infinite veranda. What you have is a window that can raise or lower using a button. There are folding doors to section off the area. If you want to know more about the infinite veranda, check out our room tour. We go fully into depth on that and what we thought of it. There's also the Aqua class. This is not a different type of room, but you do get some perks with booking an Aqua class suite. With the Aqua class, you get free fitness classes, access to the thermal spa, healthier room service options, a yoga mat to do yoga in your room, and exclusive access to Blue Restaurant. This is another option if you want some perks but don't want to pay suite prices. So let's take a look at the suites. Celebrity calls this the retreat. There are a lot of perks, but it does come at a price. With the suites, you get a private access to the retreat pool and lounge. You also get exclusive access to Illuminate Restaurant. We've never been there, but we have heard really great things. Some of the other perks you get is premium Wi-Fi and drinks package, as well as prepaid gratuities. You might think that's it, but nope. There's also complimentary laundry, reserved seating in the theater on formal chic nights, butler and concierge service, as well as priority embarkation. A couple of things that we want to point out when choosing a stateroom is the location. If you're worried about motion sickness, a cabin lower down and closer to the middle is where you'll have the least amount of motion in the ocean. Some families also like being near the kids area, especially if they plan to use it a lot. We've also had staterooms right under the pool deck, and you can hear the chairs moving and people running, so depending how light of a sleeper you are, that might be a problem for you. So overall, Celebrity Cruises offers a pretty standard but variety of staterooms to choose from, as well as the unique infinite veranda. You can decide on your budget and what is important to you. If you're looking for the ultimate luxury experience, then the retreat may be what you want. Or if you don't plan on spending much time in your stateroom and would rather spend your time on other things, then the interior cabin could be the best choice for you. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. It means a lot to our little channel. Is the retreat something that you think is worth the cost? What do you think of the infinite veranda? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your ideas and opinions. Also, we've just got a little bit more time left for November and December. All the proceeds from our merchandise are going to be going to Feed Ontario. So if you want to help out, feel free to check it out. Otherwise, you can donate directly to Feed Ontario or whatever charity of your choice is. As we're in the season of giving, it's nice to do what we can. So thank you to everybody for helping share the love this holiday season. Remember, memories are forever, so make them fabulous. Thanks again for watching, and happy travels.